We did it! This is a monumental moment for all of us. Our community members made $10 million in just 89 days. Can you believe it? How did we achieve this incredible milestone? Well, it all started with our Legacy Builder program. Over 11,000 passionate and dedicated people joined us, and together, we raked in over $10 million. This isn't just a number. It's a testament to the power of community and collective effort. That's why you're seeing six-figure income earners emerging every week. It's not just about the money, it's about the freedom and opportunities it brings. People are paying cash for cars, leaving their jobs to pursue their passions, getting out of debt and traveling the world. This is the life-changing impact we're talking about. And guess what? July is going to be epic. We have so many exciting plans and opportunities lined up for you. Are you ready to design your life? To take control and create the future you've always dreamed of? Join us for the next 30K in 90 days, run starting July 1st. This is your chance to be part of something bigger, to achieve more than you ever thought possible. Type ready in the comments for more info. Let's make the next 90 days even more amazing. Together we can achieve anything. Welcome back! In this extended version, we'll dive deeper into the success stories of our community members. Meet Sarah, a single mom who turned her life around. Just 3 months ago, she was struggling to make ends meet, juggling 2 jobs and barely having time for her kids. Today, she's a six-figure earner, working from home, and finally able to be there for her family. Sarah used the skills and strategies from our Legacy Builder program to create a thriving online business. Now she's paying cash for her dream car and planning a family vacation to Disneyland, something she never thought was possible. Next, we have Mark, a former corporate employee who felt trapped in a 9-to-5 grind. Mark always dreamed of traveling the world, but his job held him back. After joining our community, Mark quit his job and started his own consulting business. He's now debt-free, traveling the globe, and living life on his own terms. And let's not forget about Jessica and David, a young couple who were drowning in student loans. They joined us with a goal to pay off their debt and start a family. Fast forward 89 days, and not only are they debt-free, but they've also saved enough to buy their first home. They're now looking forward to welcoming their first child, all thanks to the financial freedom our program provided. These are just a few of the countless stories that show the true power of our community. It's not just about the money, it's about the freedom, the opportunities, and the life-changing impact. So, if you're ready to design your life and be part of something bigger, join us for the next 30K in 90 days, run starting July 1st. Type ready in the comments for more info. Let's make the next 90 days unforgettable. Together, we can achieve anything. Stay tuned for more inspiring stories and tips on how you can transform your life. Check out the linked video to hear success stories like Victoria, who has made 200K in this last 90-day run, or Allison, who made 100K in 5 months. You'll hear directly from regular everyday people who are changing their family's financial legacy. If they can do it, so can you. Don't miss out on our next 30K in 90 days run starting July 1st. Join us and start your journey to financial freedom today. Imagine being part of a community where success stories are not just dreams, but realities. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or achieve complete financial independence, there's a place for you here. See the info in the comments section to find out how you can take the first step toward transforming your financial future today. Remember, the journey to success starts with a single step. Make that step today and join us in our next 30K run. Your success story could be the next one we celebrate. Type ready in the comments.